What we got to do here?
We gotta put the hitch on my truck because we're swapping out for the much nicer, newer Chevy Silverado. Ooh, dude.
Smell it.
I smell Burger King. I love Whoppers.
The cover's gone.
Where'd that go?
Are we sure this thing's gonna make it?
Dude, it might fall apart. Nice. We made it. We're here.
I can't see anything through the bugs.
On the windshield. Wait till we get around this corner. Bam. Just in time, right before dark too. There she is. In all her glory. Harper's store? Nice. I think there's oh yeah, right there.
Oh, cool. Yokums.
Yeah, look at it. Nice. Dang, they brought a canoe.
Oh, there. That's our spot right there. That's 29, yeah.
Think it's big enough for this thing?
Yeah. Nice little spot.
Look at all the bugs smashed on the freaking trailer. Where is it? It's here. Give me something nice. Let me check in here. You ever see anyone open a box like this? Want it?
Yeah, let's do that.
All right, here's to making it to Seneca Rocks.
Cheers.
Cheers. Well and wonderful. All right, everyone go to bed. We're biking Spruce Knob in the morning. Shut up. Dude, my favorite part about the corned beef hash is getting that crispy edge on it.
Neighbor's got a cool setup.
Dude, he's got 2 dogs in there too.
What's your neighbor got?
I think you just crawl into that thing, but he's got 2 big dogs over there.
Dude, it's got a stink in there then.
Let's go for a walk.
All right, this is where you do the tent camping. This is that field. Well, while we're here, let's go kind of peek around and see which spots are good.
Wow, dude, look how the spots are literally right on top of each other.
Let's look around and see which spot is like the most secluded, the best spot. Because you're right, like you're camping on top of your neighbor, which is kind of dumb.
This is the good spot. I think if you're to camp down here, snag up 49 because you're away from everyone else and you still have a beautiful view of Seneca Rocks. And it's your own private little spot. There's no one else over here. Everyone else is stacked up on top of each other.
Are these fellow shredders?
No, I don't see any lightnings. Seneca Creek.
This looks pretty good.
All right, I think we're ready to go. Just in time for the rain.
All right, I'm switching you guys from this to the GoPro mode.
How is it really gonna start raining as soon as we get started? Is that just our luck? All right, it's starting to rain a little harder now. Still feel good though?
Oh yeah.
I think hopefully around this corner is where we go up to Spruce Knob. Whoa. Spruce Knob, left.
Right now, what road we on? Is that 104?
I forget what it said.
You'll have it up on the map on the screen here.
I mean, I'll put the map up.
Yeah, you'll put the map up and then...
I mean, I'm trying to. I feel like if anyone's gonna get something out of this video, it's not crazy, gnarly, highly skilled mountain biking riding. It's gonna be at least like, hey, here's where we're at. This is what it looks like. You know what I mean?
Yeah, check it out. If you think it's gonna be something for you, come do it. If
Yeah.
not, you know?
Yeah, I mean, like I said, they're not tuning in to watch you hit 50-foot freaking road gaps. I think.
There's a ramp there, yes, yeah.
Probably, yeah, those do look like ramps. I think though, that's the vista. That's Spruce Knob, because there was a half-mile marker, like the mile.
Race you to the top.
No, we're not doing that. I mean, that looks like a Spruce Knob to me. Check that out. This does remind me a lot of Reddish Knob in Virginia. How when you got right to the apex, you kind of dog-legged up it, and we're at the top.
Where I lost my hat.
Yeah, you remember that?
Yeah.
It was a wind advisory, and we decided to go up to the peak of like a 4,000 elevation mountain, and your hat got slapped off your head.
Oh, man. I almost lost my helmet.
Yeah, hat was gone. Nothing you could do about it, dude. It was out of there.
I didn't need it anyway.
Dude, that was quite an adventure. Good times.
Now we're on the next.
Yeah, on to the next. We're here, Spruce Knob, highest point in West Virginia, that M-word National Forest. Can you drop in on that? Can you go to the left side? Oh no, I was waiting for my back tire to get caught in it. I thought for sure that's what was gonna happen. Yeah, I like the rocks already.
Yeah.
Is this it?
That's why I wanted to stop before we got too far.
Yeah, let's just check it out.
Yeah, I think this is it. We're on.
All right, this is Huckleberry, right?
I think so. This is just out of the parking lot.
Oh my gosh, this is nuts. This might be the rockiest trail I've ever ridden. This is different terrain. I've never really, ow.
You never mountain biked down a hiking?
I have actually. No, I mean like, I don't know, just like we're in a spruce like forest and the trail is nothing but rocks. It's just a weird, I don't know, it's a weird aesthetic. A weird vibe, as the kids would say. Let's go. Oh, son of a gun. Oh no. Oh.
Oh my God.
Dude,
Do not break your bike.
It is kind of like creepy and quiet out here, ain't it? Yeah. There's so many greens, so many different shades of green through here. Ow. This has been a nice cross-country ride so far, hasn't it?
It has been.
It's just gorgeous out here. I could just ride like this and look around all day. Cool spot. I'm gonna go first a little bit.
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, my legs are burning. Oh. Gosh, that takes so much out of your legs. Oh, I'm not conditioned. Okay, down here. This is like the first mud we've seen. Your seat's up. Nice. Yes, that was sweet. What do we got? I think we just keep going Huckleberry.
I'm good.
Yeah, I'm good in that too. What's up?
Look at this complete change of scene.
Yeah, we're like, we just
popped out into this like.
we're in a totally different type of forest now. Oh no. I have no idea. Follow me.
Oh, here's a who?
Whoa. Ow. What is this? Oh, that's barbed wire. I thought we were gonna hit it. Yeah, I was kind of going towards it. Oh. Oh. Up and over. Is that a drop? Oh. That's probably Judy Springs.
You better hope we're on the right trail.
All right, so that's Judy Springs. That'll cut the corner to Seneca
Yeah.
Falls. Is it Seneca River, Falls, Creek? I think it's Seneca Creek, right?
It is Seneca Creek.
Yeah, so this will cut the corner to Seneca Creek, but I'm pretty sure if we continue what we are on now, which is Horton, it'll dead end to Seneca, and we'll use that to climb back to the truck.
Yeah.
Cool.
Pretty loose. So
Cool.
far.
Cool, Professor. Can we ride now? Oh no. Oh no, wait a second. We can back up and do this if you want. It's rollable, kind of. Oh, dude. All right, keep going, I'm coming. Your back end got kicked up when you did that. You felt it? Uh-oh, those might be ramps. God, I'm freaking hungry.
Yeah, these are ramps.
Those are ramps?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
Ooh, that does. Dude, those are ramps for sure. That is super oniony. Oh, look, there's a bunch up through here. Dude, what is going on around here? Oh, dude. What the hell? Are we on the trail? Oh, I gotta get started. I'm in a creek bed. Oh man, I feel just an observation. Do people ride this trail very often? Are you serious? Are you serious? Oh no! You good? What you doing? Hey, you good? Yeah, I'm good. Good to see you, sucker. Did you run through that like pool of water up there?
I got through all that, and then just like I think I just got slowed down. No momentum.
Ran out of juice.
My wheel just hit like a stick like this, and I just went like this.
I saw it. I don't know if it's on the GoPro or not. Dude, where are we? Look.
Dude,
What is this? Where are we? Is there a trail over here? Oh.
Oh, I think to our that way is High Meadows Trail to our right. We need to go this way, I think.
Yeah.
We actually might be off the trail a little bit.
Yep, I agree.
At some point we need to go this way. You see any blue markers over there?
I do not. It looks like we're on some type of trail right now, aren't we? It's been a while since we've gotten lost. We're officially lost. We gotta literally keep going straight to this?
Yeah, we're on the trail.
Dude, this can't be right.
I swore I just saw a car kind of go through those trees. Dude, that was like a deer.
We gotta go back, dude.
Yeah.
Unless, dude, we are just completely out of our minds and don't know what we're doing.
No.
What is it, Horton Trail just came to a dead end. Hit High Meadows and just disappeared. That Horton somehow went to the left here, but just like disappears.
On mountain bike project, it cuts through this field. You can see the trail cuts through this open field and reconnects with those.
Yeah, and we were just up in those hills. We did not see anything.
No blue markers, nothing.
Dude, all right, so new plan. We're hiking all the way back up Horton till we hit Judy Springs and just taking it down into Seneca Creek. Yeah, it's gonna suck, but whatever. We got plenty of time. You got your hiking hat on? Oh, is that the rally cap?
That's a rally cap. Let's get
Bring it back. Up here's where you crashed. Is this it? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. All right, dude. I don't know how fast I'm gonna be. My freaking legs are toast after climbing that. My gosh. Whew. Just throwing me right into mountain biking this spring. Throwing rocks at me. Oh my gosh. Ow! Oh jeez, wow. Here we go.
Beautiful.
I'm bleeding. That briar bush stripped me, dude. Let me see.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, this is a nice view.
I haven't dropped my chin yet, which is good.
Yeah?
I did it like twice in one ride.
Wow, what is that thing? Oh man, I thought we were going straight. What the? My feet back on the pedal after that. Oh, brakes are squealing now. Oh, dude, I smell our brakes, dude. Oh my gosh.
Walk out of here, see it?
Dude, this is way better than the bottom of Horton.
Oh yeah, for sure. This is actually pretty fun.
Yeah, brakes are finally squeaking. They've been pretty quiet this whole time.
Ooh, this looks rough.
Oh no. Oh, nice job. I'm just getting pooped out, dude. There you go. Nice, dude. That was awesome.
How you doing? Catch anything? Oh,
Yeah.
trout? Yeah. What kind of trout? Okay. Good luck. Was That's the son of a creek, really?
Well, son of a bitch. I don't know if we're gonna get through this without getting our feet wet.
I did it. I don't think I did it.
That was close. This has been a nice, scenic, chill ride back the truck, right?
Yeah.
No, but this has been chill. I like this. I like this better than just being on a gravel fire road climbing.
Yeah, for sure.
So,
Get the nice sights of the river.
Yeah.
Swamp. You get the mud holes to splash through.
yep. Oh, man. That was a flat pedal, but it was long. All right, this is the spot. Let's check this out. Look at that. Oh,
Dude, they're ice cold still. Nice job.
that's good.
Big timbers. Come here.
Hell yeah. Nice ride, bud. Cheers to finally getting to Spruce Knob. Let's go. I ruined it with the let's go. Pretty hungry.
What are those?
I didn't know what that was. Pork egg rolls, dude. Look pretty good.
There you go. Ooh, came with sauce?
What? Ew, what is... It's like a different style? Ew, dude, what's going on with this one? It looks way different. This one's yours. So, these are deer brats that my brother harvested on the property. He got himself a beautiful doe. Holy shit!
How is that egg roll?
It's cold and hot.
Nice. Yeah, those bad boys are done.
Dude, that's a deer brat.
It's so steaky, so it's got the perfect texture.
It tastes like steak, doesn't
Yeah.
it? I mean, it
Tastes like a
sounds
steak
stupid
dog.
because it's a deer sausage, but
Yeah, Horton Trail sucks.